Guys, you should always use protection. Hi everybody, and welcome to Photomikes Garage. Alright, today just a quick video on how to add protective film to my GR86 headlights. Now I want to protect this car, I want to keep it for a long time, so one of the ways you can do that is by adding protective film to your headlights. And I've never done it before, so we're going to make mistakes together. This is eBay protective film, the very best that very little money can buy. And it comes in a nice tube, as you can see, and an empty bottle. I guess this is for spraying something. Okay. And then we have our, now these should be cut to the exact size of these headlights. So these are pre-cut, and I didn't pay too much money. You can get these on eBay pretty easily, and there it is. I don't know if you can see that it's in the shape of the GR86 headlight. Okay, so the first step is to clean the headlight surface area. Make sure this is smooth, has no imperfections, and is as clean as you can get it. Now I'm using a Windex type product. This car is very new, so I don't expect that there's any real problems or any real dirt on these headlights. Okay, I'm going to use these two bottles. To do the job. Now one is a soap bottle, say soap right there. And that is a little bit of regular dishwashing soap in water. It's going to allow, it's a slippery solution, so it's going to allow you to place the cover over your headlight and position it, move it around, position it until you get the right spot. And I also have something which I call a tack solution. This is alcohol and water, and this will get rid of the soap and then allow the natural adhesiveness of the PPF film to adhere once you get it to its final position. I will also be using a squeegee with a felt liner to squeeze out any air bubbles or whatever. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is spray it down with the soap solution. So it's covered in soapy solution. Okay, so we unravel this and we can see which end is which end. I can see by the shape right here, that this goes right at this end right here. And this is a sharper corner, so that's going to go up here. So I'm just going to peel this off of the backing. Just like so. Ooh, this is kind of scary. Okay. And there you go. And I'll put a little bit of soap solution on this. And with the soap solution, I will place it on my headlamp. Just like so. Okay, we're going to use the squeegee to squeeze out some of this fluid, and we've got to make sure that we got it right in the right position. Once I have it in the right position, I can start to squeegee it out. Okay, once I think I have it in a good position, I can tack in one end, which is what I want to do. I want to move it so that I can tack it in. Oh yeah. Using the tack, I'm going to tack in right up here. If I can. Can I get this even off? And then we'll just squeegee that out. This should stick it in that one spot, I'm hoping. Not that I have any real knowledge of what I'm doing, of course. So just put that out there. And then I'm going to squeegee everything out. Squeegee the water out. Try and get rid of any bubbles. Squeegee all the fluid out to the bottom, just like that. You know, it almost looks like I know what I'm doing, but I don't. I really don't. Now you see I've got some extra bubbles here, which I'm hoping to get rid of. Will they come off? I don't know. All right, there you go. Protective film applied. You can see how easy that really is. So I just have to do the other side and the job is done. All right, guys, it's all done. This headlight is done. PPF on my headlamp. It is so simple. It's so easy to do. You should obviously do it to protect your car. These cars deserve protection. All right, there you go. The job is done. I told you guys it would be a short video, and it is. I just did this to demonstrate how easy it is to do. Someone with no experience and limited intelligence, according to my wife, and I've done this job. There you go. So if I can do it, you can do it. I will put a link below where you can get PPF for your headlamps as well. So thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time. What is all of this? Does this go on the car? Anyway, this is for the next video. I don't know if you guys can guess what this is.